Following me YouTubers. It's just regarding the welding. I know I've not done any for about a month, I think it is, since I did that K9 panel. And it doesn't get any warmer out there. It's been -1 and -2 Celsius over the past few weeks, well, 2 or 3 weeks, I think it is. I can't handle it. Last year I was out there and I was doing that bouquet of flowers, metal ones. And I was welding in the snow. It was actually snowing while I was welding, should I say. And I was freezing from the feet upwards. And this year, I just, I don't want you to feel sorry for me, but I just couldn't handle it. I could not handle the cold. But as soon as it gets bearable, I will be back out there welding. So I'm sure you've got other things to do while you wait. But don't think it's going to be all about 3D printing all the time. It's not. I mean, yeah, I am sarcastic in the last video, saying it bores the life out of me. Compared to welding, yes, it does bore the life out of me. But the end products are normally something I print that I like. So that's my kind of like payoff. But until then, messages drive me crazy. I mean, I've been that desperate to do welding. I've taken a 3 foot by 3 foot sheet of metal and I've sanded it down ready for my next project, even though I can't get out there and do any welding. I'm that desperate. I'm desperate to weld. I'm a desperate man. But yeah, if you can put it, like I said, put up with it, wait, I appreciate it. Some of you have been hanging around for 10 years. I don't know why, but, thanks. And until then, just remember what's in the front of my mind is I need to weld. But these other little projects with the 3D printing, they're just fillers. Next, come springtime, it will be a case of them that are few and far between, and it's more welding. It's what I love.